Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Home Depot Mall Com review. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website and it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple products including instant photo printers, ice cream makers, retro gaming, instant film cameras, oral care products, thermostat products, headphones, blenders, vacuums, and Bluetooth and wireless speakers. Apart from that, guys, the website is offering these products at very cheapest prices, which are unrealistic. Now, guys, let's take a look at the payment information of the site. And here you can see the website accepts online payments through Visa, PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard, and cash on delivery option is also available. So these are the payment modes. And let's check out the shipping policy of this website. So for that, you need to visit the delivery information section. And guys, according to the website details, the items should arrive in 3 to 5 business days depending on your location. So this is the shipping information. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And this time I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the first and important factor, this site is using a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, guys, the domain name was created on 1st of December 2020. So guys, this is 7 days old website, so we can't trust on it easily. So let's discuss some other factors to define its legitimacy. So let's check out the About Us section to know more about this website. And for that, you need to visit the menu option button. The first option is About Us section. And guys, limited information is available on this web page. They have not provided any information regarding business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. This is a negative sign. Now let's check out the contact us details of this website. For that, guys, you need to visit the menu option button and here you will find the contact details. So guys, this is the contact us page and they have provided the official address of the company, email address and phone number, which seems to be fake. And guys, apart from that, the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But you should also know that most of the scam and problematic sites use emails starting with customer care support, etc. So take care of this thing. Now guys, let's talk about a social media presence of this site. And guys, you can see Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, mail, Pinterest, social media icons are available on this web page, but the site has no social media presence at all, as these social media accounts are misleading and inactive. When you click these icons, you will be redirected to the homepage of the site as well. Now let's check out the return and refund policy of this site. And guys, you can see the website has mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers while reviewing the website or making any online purchase. And guys, talking about the Home Depot Mall.com reviews, so we have found no reviews about the site on the internet, as this is a newly launched website. and is not popular online. Apart from that, the website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. Now guys, talking about other factors, so yes, the design of the website is not smooth and the website is not professionally managed. And apart from that, this company is offering the products on an unrealistic cheap prices, which is a negative sign, which is not a good sign. And yes, you should know that most of the scam and problematic sites offer products at some cheapest prices. So this is again a thing that you need to consider before making any online purchase. And apart from that, guys, lots of content provided on this website matches with the multiple scam and problematic sites. And yes, according to our study, we have found that it is similar to other scam sites like Own Home Depot and eHome Spot, etc. So you should be aware of this factor. And guys, apart from that, we can see the domain name and the logo is different. So this is again a negative sign which signifies fakeness of this site. So in the final conclusion, guys, the website appears to be scam. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this site as it is a very new website. So if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.